Nuts. They're small, crunchy, and packed with flavor. They're the healthy snack we've been told to grab when we're hungry, but don't want to feel guilty. But not all nuts are created equal, and some could be causing more harm than good. Imagine the double-edged sword of biting into something that nourishes and harms you simultaneously. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will flip your understanding of what makes a nut truly good for you. First, let's crack open the Brazil nut mystery. Brazil nuts are a favorite among health-conscious snackers, thanks to their impressive selenium content. Selenium is crucial for thyroid function and acts as an antioxidant in the body. But here's the twist: too much selenium can be toxic. Just 2 to 4 Brazil nuts can give you more than your daily selenium needs. Overindulge, and you could experience symptoms like hair loss, brittle nails, nausea, and even neurological issues. Think of it like drinking salt water a little. Might quench your thirst, but too much can be deadly. Moderation is your best ally with these buttery, irresistible treats. Next, we have cashews. Oh, cashews, the nut that masquerades as a seed and still claims the spotlight in nut mixes. Raw cashews contain urushiol, a chemical also found in poison ivy. While the cashews you find in stores are roasted or steamed to remove this toxin, they still come with a high oxalate content. Oxalates can contribute to kidney stone formation if consumed in excess. Imagine treating yourself to a creamy cashew-based sauce, only to find yourself in the ER with a kidney stone. Delicious? Yes. Risky? Also, yes. Almonds are another favorite, especially in the form of almond milk or almond butter. Sweet almonds are generally safe, but their bitter cousins contain amygdalin, a compound that converts to kyanide. Yes, cyanide. Even sweet almonds can be problematic if consumed excessively. Too much vitamin E from almonds can lead to dizziness, headache, and blurred vision. Ever felt oddly tired after snacking on a bag of almonds? Now, you might know why. Almonds are the overachiever of the nut world, but even overachievers need to know their limits. Let's turn our attention to pistachios, those green jewels of the nut family. Pistachios are high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, but they're also prone to aflatoxin contamination. Aflatoxins are produced by molds that can grow on pistachios if they're not stored properly, and they're known to be carcinogenic. Suddenly, that innocent-looking handful of pistachios seems a little less inviting, doesn't it? Always check for freshness and proper storage. Your pistachio habit might depend on it. Walnuts are often celebrated as brain food thanks to their omega-3 fatty acid content. But here's the downside. They're among the most allergenic nuts. Even for those without allergies, eating too many walnuts can lead to digestive distress, bloating, and diarrhea. Ever had a walnut-packed brownie that didn't sit well? There's your culprit. Walnuts are a reminder that even the best-intentioned snacks can have unintended consequences. Last but not least, the humble peanut. Technically a legume, peanuts often steal the spotlight in nut discussions. Peanuts are affordable, versatile, and delicious, but they're not without their issues. Like pistachios, peanuts are susceptible to aflatoxin contamination. They're also high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation if not balanced with omega-3s. Suddenly, that comforting peanut butter sandwich starts to look a little suspicious. Balance is everything, and peanuts are a classic example of too much of a good thing becoming problematic. So, why does this matter? Nuts are nutrient-dense powerhouses, but they're not without their risks. The key to enjoying nuts is understanding their potential downsides and consuming them in moderation. If you're reaching for a snack, consider mixing different types of nuts and keeping portions reasonable. Overindulgence, even with the healthiest foods, can lead to unintended health issues. Practical tips can help you enjoy nuts safely. Store them in cool, dry places to avoid mold growth. Diversify your nut intake instead of relying heavily on one type. And always watch out for signs of allergies or digestive discomfort. Did you know studies show that people who eat a variety of nuts in moderation have a lower risk of heart disease? Nuts are a double-edged sword, but with a little mindfulness, they can be your ally rather than your adversary. If you found these insights valuable, don't keep them to yourself. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to know the truth about their favorite snacks. And before you go, check out our previous videos for more surprising facts and practical health tips that can make a real difference in your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.